Hi, I'm attorney Chris Reich, and today I want to answer the question, do I have to identify the driver in this photo enforcement ticket if it wasn't me? So we get this question a lot. A lot of households have multiple cars, multiple drivers, and so you have different people driving the same car from time to time. And sometimes you'll get a photo enforcement ticket made out to you, but you weren't the one driving. What do you do in that situation? Well, a lot of people think that if they weren't really driving, they can just tell the court it wasn't me and they'll dismiss the ticket. So when you get that ticket, usually a few options in there. It's little coupons that you can send back into the court. One of them is, I was not the driver, send in a copy of your license. What usually happens in those situations is the court mails back and says, sorry, we can't exclude you as the driver. Here are your choices. The problem here is that when you send that ticket back in with your name signed on it, you've waived service. Now you have to deal with that ticket. Whereas if you had not sent that coupon back in, the city would have had to serve that ticket on you before you had to do anything. It's a great argument though. If you legitimately weren't the driver and somebody else was, that's the perfect defense. And here's why that works out so well. A city has 60 days from the date of violation to issue a ticket. So by the time you get to a civil traffic hearing where you're arguing identity, you can safely bring in the person who was actually driving. They can tell the court, hey, that's me in the ticket, I was driving. The person you issued the ticket to was not driving. It's really excellent odds of getting the ticket dismissed at that point, and it's too late for them to issue a ticket to the person who was actually driving. So it's the perfect defense. But usually we would say, still don't respond to that initial mailing, don't waive service, make them serve you, and then if they serve you, you can go ahead and make that argument. But they don't serve all these tickets, so there's a chance it's just going to go away on its own. So save yourself some time and money and don't waive service.